Oh, great heavens!
Not like that.
Right, yes, today is the day. The spoiler's in the back. We're gonna try fit it. Before we do that, I've got to quickly pop to Basingstoke to pick up some vinyl for the boys at IPC. They've got orders coming in, so no. Right. Yeah, made it to the farm. Ow. Gonna do spoiler, I think. This is 3 days later. We've just been busy doing other stuff for upcoming drift day for the boys. But yeah, time to get the spoiler installed. Right, this is the spoiler.
Consider this unboxed.
Yeah, I think that sits down there, doesn't it? Batmobile. Wait, what?
No, this comes off.
How does it come off?
Oh, it's a full deletion.
Yeah, we're taking this off and we're replacing it with that.
We all presumed that it was stick on.
I will have you know, I have never bought anything cheap or Chinese.
Are you sure you don't want it down here? Do it like one of those mid-roof ones.
Oh, yeah, early picnic table.
Why the fuck do I come here? Oh no. Fucking hell.
That is literally what I said. I said T25 minus 10.
Yep, go on.
You should have napped one a bit harder. Forever.
Swallow it.
Hang
Give
on.
me that.
That was used to hold my body kit on my stomach. Oh, is it off yet?
No.
I know someone that wants it.
Start, dude.
give me the fucking.
Oh, look, Charlie's got his 360 camera out. We can check which side works.
Oh, I can't go that side. You're going to get done dirty this time.
I'll do you dirty. Right, down again? Of course it's that. Keep going. Got it.
Oh my god, it's bald. So,
I like it.
We only lost one nut inside the boot.
Wingless.
yeah, it's not staying like that. It was 5 bolts and the brake cable, not 4 bolts and the brake cable, but it's off.
It's 3 bolts.
Every
You're doing
time.
it yourself. It's 3 bolts.
But now we can put this baby on. It doesn't look too bad. Yeah, that corner, don't look at that corner.
I was about to walk away from it then. Got that, Louis?
Real carbon fibre.
I don't want to say that it's not the
this
same
lines up
shape.
No, you're slamming it in. It wants to be back here, so
Yeah.
I'm in. You're not
No, I don't think you're meant to slam it in.
Really
From all the way back here.
when everyone's hidden away.
That's it. What is that gap?
Yeah, you're right, actually. Should have bought wheels instead.
I'm waiting.
Yeah.
I'm waiting.
Right, get it on.
Luke, when you watch this video,
Right, the brake light is held in by 2 screws. One in there, one in there. Stay. Cool. Fuck. Right, it's out. Now I've got to install it into the other one. It needs to be glued in. So I've got some sticks like shit here. And I think I'm just gonna have to fucking kind of send it, and whatever happens. Sadly, the boys only have one, so I'm just gonna be kind of gentle. Fucking eBay spoilers. Right, I've grown impatient. This is gonna have to somehow go on.
What's happening? That'll be stuck.
Yeah, it's really not well stuck. Right, now we got to test slow close and see, because that looks like it's going to pinch the. Oh. I mean, a little bit of grazing. Oh, yeah, but also it's.
Where's it pinching? On your side as well?
Yeah, like if you slowly let it open, it's just pushing it.
Pinching there, look.
eBay special. Holds the boot. That was the noise of the nuts that are in there. Update. It does not fit. The fitment doesn't work. And it also rubs my boot every time I open and close. So, I'm gonna have to try and get the brake light out before it fully hardens and sits in there. And I also lost one of the nuts inside. So that's gonna be fun to find. Right, all the bolts are back in and spoiler is on, as you probably just heard. There is something in here, but I can't find it. I don't have a magnetic thing. So I'm probably not gonna put the trim back on, all of like this yet. You can't see anything. I'm just gonna leave that trim off, order a little magnetic stick, hopefully fish them out. And maybe by the time I actually get around to doing all of that, I might have sorted some other spoiler that I can try and put on. But yeah, this one didn't go well. Yeah. I've spoken to eBay man. The spoiler's going back. I still haven't done my trim. It's been like, I don't know, a day, 2 days since I recorded the last video. But yeah, it's going back. I'm just at the farm boxing it up. Because boys have stuff to post as well. So I'm just gonna go with them and get it all done. Right, so obviously that spoiler didn't fit, so I think let's have a quick chat about what the plans are. So let's peek. The spoiler didn't fit, but it's not the end of the world. I've sent it back. I need your guys' help because what do we do next? Out of the other spoilers I've seen, I've not fallen in love with any of them, except for the Aspect one, but I'm not going to spend like £600 on a spoiler for it to maybe fit, because it's really hit or miss at the moment with what I can find on it. I'm chucking some examples here. I need you guys to put in the comments what you want to see on the car. And yeah, whichever one has the most votes, I'll get for my thing. Do we leave it standard? Do we not even bother with a spoiler, or do we pick one of these? Because at the moment, I don't know if I want to run the risk of buying another one that's expensive to have it not fit how I want it to. But yeah, that'll do it for this video. It's a shame to see the spoiler not on the car. I also need to buy a new brake light, which I haven't done. Anyway, thank you very much for watching. I really appreciate it, guys. Please let me know in the comments which one you want to see on my car or not see on my car. Drop a like, it really helps get my videos out there. And if you're not already, subscribe. I hope to see you back here. But yeah, until then, I will see you in the next one. Have a good day. Fucking hell.